Assalamualaikum guys. Today we are gonna learn the second idiom related to feelings. The idiom is to have cold feet. To have cold feet is an idiomatic expression that means to feel nervous or scared about doing something, usually because it's a big decision or a significant change. It's to get a bit hesitant or uncertain about going ahead with a plan or commitment. Imagine your feet are cold and you are feeling a bit shaky or uncertain. That's what it means to have cold feet. For instance, I was going to ask him to marry me, but I got cold feet and didn't do it. But guys, it's just an example. Don't take it seriously. Okay, let's move to another example. She was excited to start her new job, but she was getting cold feet and was wondering if she made a mistake. The idiom cold feet is considered an informal expression, but in casual conversations with friends, family, or colleagues, cold feet is a perfectly fine idiom to use.